Every answer begins with a question. From the earliest civilizations to the modern age, human beings have always sought to understand the world around them. But the main concern was, how do we find these answers? Like, what should be the guide for the quest of knowledge? And the answer to that lies in research. But again, what exactly is research? Research is not just a collection of data. It is a systematic process of exploration, discovery, and understanding. A systematic investigation to establish facts, reach new conclusions, or solve problems. Whether it is conducted in the lab, library, or the field, research shapes how we think, what we know, and the future of our world. So, it can be defined as a systematic process of inquiry aimed at discovering new knowledge, understanding phenomena, or solving problems, which involves collecting, analyzing, and interpreting data to answer specific questions or test hypotheses. So, with reference to the definition, we understand that research requires a purpose and a process. When the purpose of research is discovery, it uncovers new facts or insights. For example, exploring the challenges of identity crisis faced by women in job sector. The purpose of research can be understanding, like gaining deeper insights about the topic, such as the cause and effect relationship between variables. For example, the impact of mobile phones on children, like how does it affect their mental health, or it can have an application purpose, like solving the practical problems or informing decision making. For example, research to improve education system or make better policy decisions regarding education system. We understand that at its very core, research begins with curiosity, a question that needs answering, a problem that demands solution. But curiosity alone is not enough. To transform questions into answers or knowledge, researchers require to follow a process. And this process begins with identifying a problem or question that helps you defining what you want to study or solve. And then on the selected topic or question, researchers conduct the literature review, by which he reviews the existing knowledge, the researches, to understand what is already known about that topic, which helps him to formulate the hypotheses, propositions, research questions, objectives, which are the statements or questions to guide him in the investigation. The next step is designing the study, in which the researcher plans how to collect and analyze the data, including the selection of sample size, population, methodology, method, tools, which all help him in the collection of data. When the planning has been completed, the researcher visits the field and begin the collection of data, in which he gathers the information through the help of methods. For the collection of data, the researcher can use various methods, like he can opt for the mono method or the multi method or the mixed method, depending upon the requirement of the study. When the data collection has been completed, the next step is to analyze the data, in which the researcher interprets the data to identify the patterns, relationships between the variables. Finally, the researcher draws conclusion, in which he summarizes the findings and determines their implications. When the research has been completed, now is the time to report the results, in which the researcher shares his findings through reports, papers, or presentations. I would like to end by leaving a question for you, that what are the types of research? And if you found this video helpful, then do like, share, and subscribe for more insightful knowledge. Thank you.